Hello everyone, this is the Cookie Monster again, and today I'm gonna show you the Play-Doh kitchen creation set. Oh, hi Cookie Monster. Sure, I can show them the Play-Doh kitchen set. Yeah, I wanna help too. I want to make noodles and I also want to make pasta. Okay, sounds good. But I need you to move to the side, okay? Because I need to show them. Okay, so hello everyone, this is the Play-Doh kitchen creations set. This is super cool because we can make our own pasta in all shapes and sizes and colors. So this is super cool. We can make spaghetti and all sorts of things, and we have 5 different colors, and we can be little chefs today. So I think that's super cool and fun. And Cookie Monster is here with us. Yes, I want to make some cookie pasta. Well, we're not gonna make cookies today. We're gonna make different types of pasta. But I want cookies! Cookie pasta, that sounds super good. Okay, Cookie Monster. Let's see what we can do about that. Yes, let's try it. Okay. So let me open this. This is the machine and we can put it together. Okay, so let's take out everything that comes here. There we go, so here is this. And the most important part, the clay. So here you have the green one. Oh, it looks brand new. Then we have this one that is kind of yellow. Really good. Then we have red. And here's a red one. And now we're gonna grab the brown one. And finally the white. So we have all of these different colors of clay that we can start using for our pasta. Super! Okay, so let's see, this goes here. Here we have 2 cups and plates so we can serve our creations. And we can also make different veggies, for example, broccoli or this other one that I don't know what that one would be. But we can make different toppings for our pasta. Here we have mushrooms, shrimp, look at that, super cool, a bunny, and different shapes. So this is cool. We can switch this piece right here, and that is how we create different types of noodles. And then we have this thing to roll everything. We have another mold to create different shapes. We just close it. And we have some tools, or I should say silverware, so we can eat the pasta, but we cannot eat it, so Cookie Monster, you don't get any ideas, okay? And then we can cut it with this. So how it works is that we put the clay right here and then we press, we bring this orange part down. Okay, let's start with the brown clay. We're gonna put the cup so the pasta falls right there. We introduce the clay in here and press the orange piece. There we go, look at that, we're having spaghetti. Ooh, noodles. And then we can braid them. Fun. And then we need to cut them, so let's bring the knife. So the pasta is ready. And then we can switch this, and we need to remove all the clay that is in there so it doesn't mix with the other colors. Okay, so now let's switch. And I want to use this red shape. Okay. And that will go with yellow clay. So we'll introduce it right there. And let's see how it turns out. Oh wow, look at that. This is a flat type of pasta, which might be linguine. What do you guys think? What do you think this is? So here is this, and we can cut it with the knife. And we can mix it in with our other spaghetti. Okay. So now we should do one of these cool shapes. I like this bow one. Yay, look at this. We have another shape. And I don't know the name of that pasta. Do you guys know it? If you do, write it in the comments below. We're gonna do one more of those. And how about this bunny? Oh no, let's do it again. Perfect. Look at that. And we're gonna do one more of this bow one. Ooh, look at this. I love how it's turning out. Yeah, I like it too, but I would prefer if there were some cookies. Can we make some cookies? Cookie Monster, this is a pasta maker. Anyway, let's do this. Oh, ravioli. Ooh. Wow, this set is really cool. So here are all the types of pasta that I made. I really like them all. I think the ravioli are my favorite one. This is super cool. I know it is. Look at this. And then we can just grab the fork and eat it. Okay, Cookie Monster, do you want to try it? Or does it taste like cookies? I'm sure. Yeah, so the cool thing about this is that we have tons of different designs to make pasta. And yeah, Cookie Monster likes it. Yes, it's good. It's very good. Okay, so that's a good thing. Okay, he can eat it all. Yum yum, give me more, give me more. Okay, so here we have all this pasta for you. Wow, the Cookie Monster really loves to eat. Doesn't matter what. I love it. I also like cheeseburger, but cookies are my favorite. Yes, we know that. So this was Play-Doh kitchen creation. It was the pasta maker. So let me know what you think of this toy. Do you like it? Write it in the comments below. I'll be happy to read them. Thank you for watching Play With Me Toys for Kids. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free and be the first one to know when new videos are posted. Share this video with your friends and see you next time!